When's Rob back?
Dunno, why?
Probabilities do me head in.
You know, but he can't do the reset for you.
Oh, really? Can he not? So the probability of me failing is much higher now.
You won't fail. Not on my watch.
Oh, what's he doing here?
He's come to help me apologise for being an idiot and handling everything really badly. Hello, mate. That's typical daddy, innit?
Is he staying then?
Only till tomorrow. Spend some time with his favourite dad. Say goodbye properly. Right. There's a bag of coloured beads with equal numbers of red, blue, green and orange. John picks beads out and replaces them 1,000 times.
John needs to get a life.
What is the probability of picking green? I know you can do this one.
Why can't you just stay with us?
Well, there's lots of reasons.
We're his family. This is his home.
It still is. They'll come and visit. Come on, last question, and then we can go to the party.
Doug's setting off a firework for Gerry first.
And do it quick then.
Oh dear. There you go. You sure Rebecca's cool with this?
Yeah. I'm sorry if I made you feel like you didn't count. It's not what I wanted to do at all. And we are a team. Okay? Because I know I couldn't get through this without you.
We'll make it work.
I missed it, have I?
No, you're just in time.
Aaron and Robert said they're sorry. They got Seb.
Oh, no problem. Now, I need you out of the danger zone and into the spectator zone. Here, get that on.
Come and stand with us. Dad's still a bit anxious. Sorry.
Right. It gives me great pleasure to declare this, the Gerry Roberts Memorial Garden, open. When I say, Gerry, this isn't a Cat 4 rocket, and it won't get anyone arrested, but it is for you. We miss you terribly. And I hope this puts that cheeky grin on your face, wherever you are.
Can it be for my dad as well?
Of course it can. Look out, Ashley. It's coming for you and all.
You're a very brave young man, Arthur Thomas.